name's Christian Godsacker, and today I wanted to talk about a particular topic. So I wrote some notes down. Now, what are the core concepts of this topic? 6-axis controls. I want to talk about how 6-axis controls have been undersold and underutilized. They've been used a lot in like Ratchet and Clank and a lot of Wii titles. So, you could move around a broken disco ball, or, the Wii and its affinity and affliction with novelty. However, I recently picked up a copy of Doom 1 and Doom 2 on the PlayStation 4. I realized that you could get classic WADs for it, and I figured, hey, why the heck not? That sounds like a freaking steal of a deal, if you know what I mean. I didn't know that they had 6-axis controls for aiming in that, which I think is quite phenomenal. And it works quite well. I lean on it very hard. Doom Eternal on the Switch apparently uses this feature as well. I would lean on that extra hard too. Now, the first time I had ever seen the utilization of proper 6-axis controls was when I picked up a copy of The Ocarina of Time back on the Nintendo 3DS in 2012. You use the controls in that like I'm proposing. You aim and you shoot and everything with the 6-axis control, but you can still use an analog stick. So it's a back and forth. You have one that gives you the steadiest and the other one that gives you the precision. You're going to be using your muscle control and your center of mass to be aiming, so that puts you quite on par with mouse aiming. You'll have a lot more balance. My only question is, how will we make it so that it doesn't become overbearing? To recenter it, to snap it. What button would you use, especially in a Doom Eternal situation? Now, I don't believe that this is only for Doom Eternal. I also believe that, it says here I should mock Halo for auto-aim. However, pretty much every console game has auto-aim. I'd like to turn that off. If you guys do, I would like to know. Do Halo veterans and competitive folks believe that turning that off is really helpful for them, and do they? And also, I think this would be fantastic to mention that Battlefield, Call of Duty, Rainbow Six Siege, all those types of games and experiences on console would be enhanced by the use of 6-axis controller. Now, I know the Xbox doesn't have 6-axis, which is a bummer. And at first I was like, well, Sony's not going to, share that patent. However, if Sony has it, Nintendo does too. Now, I'm sure they made a deal, and I'm sure everybody can. There's got to be some kind of licensing and distribution loophole / agreement that can be made. What else do I have here? Yeah, so that's about it. I really want to go from, using Wii controls to control Samus to using 6-axis controls to get really good headshots in Doom Eternal. Battle mode, the game, the fatigue would be a lot less existent. Of course, you still be mashing mad buttons, but what else? It's a fighting game. I believe that properly concludes my little YouTube sesh here. I think now would be a heck of a time to just play some freaking games, am I right?